guys finally paired up. You see the goby? He guides the pistol shrimp. That's pretty awesome. They didn't pay attention to each other for about a week or so, but now they're cool. They moved in, the goby moved into the pistol shrimp's burrow. And he has a whole bunch of burrows back here. I don't know if you can see him. See if I can hit the flash for you. Back there, as you can see that deep little hill there. Through there, it goes all the way to the other side, which is pretty cool. Plus he has a center exit. A strong little shrimp too. Just picked up that big rock right there and pushed it out the way. There he goes. This is all for now, YouTube. Just wanted to share. See, oh, here, hold on, before I let you guys go. See right there? You can't see it too good, but all the way in the center of that tunnel, down the back, there's a steep embankment that he has made. And you can see him back there. They're moving. Yeah, he did a great job.